Ayuda.
Help. Help.
¿Qué pasa?
What is wrong? What is wrong?
Me duele.
I have pain. I have pain.
Me duele el estómago.
I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache.
Soy diabético.
I am a diabetic. I am a diabetic.
Me duele la espalda.
I have backache. I have backache.
No me encuentro bien.
I do not feel good. I do not feel good.
Me duele el pecho.
I have chest pain. I have chest pain.
He sufrido un ataque al corazón.
I had a heart attack. I had a heart attack.
Tengo calambres.
I have cramps. I have cramps.
Me duele la garganta.
I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat.
Soy alérgico a...
I am allergic to... I am allergic to...
Necesito un médico.
I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
Necesito una enfermera.
I need a nurse. I need a nurse.
Me siento enfermo.
I feel sick. I feel sick.
Me duele la cabeza.
I have a headache. I have a headache.
Creo que tengo la gripe.
I think that I have the flu. I think that I have the flu.
Estoy mareado.
I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy.
Siento náuseas.
I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous.
Tengo fiebre.
I have fever. I have fever.
Me duele aquí.
It hurts here. It hurts here.